Hello viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I am Vanaresa. Now I am going to explain the problems in exercise 2. In previous video, we have completed the construction of a triangle with three sides. Now we will go with the construction of triangles with two given sides and the included angle. Here, example 2, construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Here, given two sides and one included angle. So, what is our first step? We are going to draw a rough sketch of the given triangle and label it with the given measurements, that is A, B, C, and label with AB is equal to 4 cm and B to C is equal to 5 cm and angle B here they given 50 degrees. Let's go to the construction part. Next step, draw a line segment of AB of length 4 cm. Now this is the line segment AB of length 4 cm. Now write here vertices A, B and write the length 4 cm. Now we are going to construct angle 50 degrees. So by using the 50 degrees, by using the protractor, we are going to construct the angle 50 degrees. Now count the angle from the left side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here mark here 50 degrees and remove the protractor and draw a ray BX through the point. Now write down here X. It is BX ray and angle B measure 50 degrees. Now we know the length of B to C, which is 5 cm. So now take the compass and take the compass radius as 5 cm. Now it is a compass radius 5 cm. Now B as the center. Draw an arc on this ray BX. Now here we got the exact location of point C, and we don't know the length of A to C, but we know the position of C and A here. So just simply join A and C to get triangle ABC, and the B to C length is 5 cm. It is a required construction of triangle ABC. And these are all the steps for this construction. Now let's go to the exercise 2. In exercise 2, first question, draw a broad triangle a car in which C to A is equal to 8 cm and angle A is equal to 60 degrees and A to R is equal to 8 cm. Measure CR length and angle R and C. What kind of triangle is this? So now what is our first step? We need to draw a rough sketch of the given triangle and label it with the given measurements. C, A, R. Now the length of C to A is 8 cm and angle A is equal to 60 degrees and A to R is equal to 8 cm. After completing the constructions, we are going to find the length of C to R and angle C and angle R. Let's go to the construction part. So next step is draw a line segment CA of length 8 cm. CA and length is 8 cm. Now here we are going to construct angle 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is a special measure. We need to construct angle 60 degrees by using the compass. So for that, take the compass radius more than half of the length of CA line segment. Now A at the center, draw an arc with the same radius. Now draw another arc which cut the previous arc. So we know this point is this point indicating the 60 degrees. Now remove the compass and draw a ray. And label here AX. Now we know the length of A to R. So now take the compass and take the ruler and the compass. Take the compass radius as 8 centimeter. Now A at the center. Now here in the question they are asking to find the measure of C to R, and angle C, angle R is equal to how much. Now take the protractor and place on that angle R. So now here angle R indicating C, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degrees here having. So angle R is measured 60 degrees, and angle C also will measure the 60 degrees. So here we can write angle C is 60 degrees and angle R is equal to 60 degrees. So in this triangle, three angles are equal, so it is an equilateral triangle. So let's measure the length of C to R also. Now see the length of C to R, it is also we are getting 8 centimeter. So it is an equilateral triangle. And these are the construction steps for this construction. Now let's go to the second question. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle B is equal to 45 degrees and B to C is equal to 6 centimeter. Now what is our first step? We need to draw a rough sketch and label it with the given measurement. Write down ABC, and the length of AB is 5 centimeter, and here the given angle B 45 degrees, and the length of B to C is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let's go to the construction part. Next step is draw a line segment AB of length 5 centimeter. Now here the given angle B is equal to 45 degrees. So to construct the 45 degrees, we need to bisect the angle 0 to 90 degrees. So to get the 90 degrees, we need to construct the 60 and 120 and bisect, you will get 90. After completing the 90 degrees, if you are bisecting this 0 to 90 degrees, then you will get the 45 degrees. Now let's first construct the 60, 120 and 90. For that, you should take the compass radius as more than half of the length of line segment AB. Now with B at the center, draw an arc. Now with the same radius, now construct 60 degrees. So this arc indicating 60 degrees. Now with the 60 degrees point, we can draw another arc. Here we are getting 120 degrees. Now how will you get 90 degrees? We are going to bisect the 60 to 120. For that, you should take the compass radius more than half of the 60 to 120. Now 60 degrees with the center, draw an arc. Now 120 at the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at a point 90 degrees. Now look at here. Now take a small line to indicating the location of the 90. So it is 90 degrees red color. Now here we are going to bisect the now 60 to 90 degrees. For that, take the compass radius as more than half of the length of 0 to 90. It is 0 to 90, so take the more than half. Now 90 at the center, draw an arc. Now 0 degrees at the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point 45 degrees. Now these two arcs intersecting. So now draw a ray. Now draw a ray there, BX. Now we are going to locate the C point on this ray. So take the compass radius now as 6 centimeter. Now B as the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc, previous ray Bx. Now here we got the exact location of the point C here. So this is point C. Now join A to C to get required triangle ABC. Now the length of B to C is 6 centimeter and angle B here 45 degrees. It is a required construction, and these are the construction steps for this diagram. Let's continue with the third question. Construct a triangle PQR such that angle R is equal to 100 degrees. Q to R is equal to R to P is equal to 5.4 centimeter. So what is our first step? We need to draw a rough sketch of the given diagram. Here we have two lengths, that is Q to R is equal to 5.4 centimeter and R to P also they given 5.4 centimeter. So label with QR, that is 5.4 centimeter, and angle R is given 100 degrees and the length of R to P is 5.4 centimeter. It is a rough sketch. Now let's go to the construction part. So next step is draw a line segment of QR of length 5.4 centimeter. 1, 2, 4, 5.4 centimeter. Now label with Q and R vertices and add the length 5.4 centimeter. Now we are going to construct angle R is equal to 100 degrees. So 100 degrees is not a special measure. We need to construct by using the protractor. So 100 degrees, it's a right angle 90. So now it is 110. It is a 110. Sorry, 100 degrees. So now remove the compass, protractor, and draw a ray Rx through the point of 100 degrees. Now write ray Rx. So now the length of R to P is 5.4 centimeter. Now take the compass and radius as 5.4 centimeter with the help of ruler. Now see, now R as a center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point P. Now the length of R to P is 5.4 centimeter and the angle R is equal to 100 degrees. Now we know the point of the Q and P, so just simply join Q and P by using the ruler. So it is a required construction of angle triangle QPR, and these are all the construction steps for this construction. Now let's go to the fourth question. Now fourth question, construct triangle TEN such that T to E is equal to 3 centimeter and angle E is equal to 90 degrees. N to E is 4 centimeter. So what is our first step? Draw a rough sketch and label with the given measurements. It is 3 centimeter and angle E is 90 degrees, N to E is 4 centimeter. Now let's go to the construction part. So next step, draw a line segment T to E of length 3 centimeter and construct 90 degrees. So to get 90 degrees, we need to bisect the 60 and 120. Now let's construct 60 and 120, then bisect. So for that, you take the compass radius more than half of the length of T to E. Now E at the center, draw an arc. Now with the same radius again, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point 60 degrees. So this arc indicating 60. Now draw another arc with this arc indicating 120 degrees. Now to get the 90 degrees, we need to bisect this 60 and 120. For that, take the compass radius more than half of the length of 60 to 120. Now 60 degrees at the center, draw an arc. Now 120 degrees at the center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point 90 degrees. Now here we got 90 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw ray EX and write down here X. So it is 90 degrees. Now we are going to locate the point N on this ray EX. For that, take the compass radius as 4 centimeter with the help of a ruler. Now E at the center, draw an arc which cut the previous ray EX at point N. Now this point indicating N. Now we know the exact location of the point T and N. Just simply join T N to get a required triangle TEN. And these all are the construction steps for this construction. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel, like, share and refer to your friends. And if you are subscribing this channel, then you will get the latest notifications when I'm uploading the new videos. Thank you.